Hello students, welcome to class 8 Maths. Today we are going to see exercise 3.6 linear equation. First we will recall what is equation. Equation means an expression which has left hand side and the right hand side with equal to sign. So here 2x plus 7 forms the left hand side of the equation and 17 is the right hand side of the equation with the equal to sign. Then, what is linear equation? An equation containing only one variable with its highest power as 1. So, if you take the example 3x minus 7, it has only one variable with the highest power 1. So, it is called a linear equation. Linear equation means which contain only one variable with the highest power 1. We move to the exercise 3.6. Fill in the blanks. The value of x in the equation x plus 5 is equal to 12. So x plus 5 equal to 12 is a linear equation because it has only one variable with the highest power 1. Now they ask you to find out the value of x. So if you keep the x as it is and bring the plus 5 to your right hand side. So if it is plus 5 means when you bring it to your right hand side minus 5. Therefore 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore x value is 7. Then the value of y in the equation y minus 9 is equal to minus 5 plus 7. So the number minus 5 is in the bracket. First you have to bring out from the bracket. So plus into minus is minus. Minus 5 plus 7. Minus 5 and plus 7 is equal to. If alternate symbol means you have to minus it. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Therefore, y minus 9 is equal to 2. And then if you bring this minus 9 to your right hand side, y is equal to 2 plus 9. So 2 plus 9 is 11. So y value is 11. The value of m in the equation 8m is equal to 56 is dash. So when you bring this multiple to your right hand side, division. Therefore 56 by 8 is equal to 7 times. Therefore m is equal to 7. Then the value of p in the equation 2p by 3 is equal to 10. Keep the p as it is and bring 2 by 3 to your right hand side. If you take from left hand to your right hand side, you have to take the reciprocal for the fraction number. Therefore 3 by 2. So in 2 table 5 times. 5 3s are 15. The linear equation in one variable as dash solution. One solution. Then true or false. Towards homework, we'll move to the match the following. So here x by 2 is equal to 10. If it is in the division, when you bring to a right hand side, multiplication. Therefore, x is equal to 10 into 2, which is equal to 20. So x value is 20. And then here 20 is equal to 6x minus 4. Therefore 6x minus 4 equal to 20. So keep the x term as it is and bring the constant to your right hand side. Minus means plus. Therefore 20 plus 4 is 24. And then x is equal to 24 by 6, which is equal to 4. And your third question, if you see here 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 minus x. So bring the like terms together. Therefore, when you bring minus x to your left hand side plus x and then minus 5 to your right hand side is plus 5. 2 plus 1 is 3x. 3 plus 5 is 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8 by 3. And then 7x, question 7x minus 4 minus 8x. Bring the like term together, that is 7x minus 8x minus 4 is equal to 20. Plus and minus is minus. Therefore, 8 minus 7 is 1. Greater number sign is minus. So, minus x is equal to 20. When you bring this minus to your right hand side, plus. Therefore, minus x is equal to 24. As the variable should not carry the negative sign, so you are shifting the sign to your right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to minus 24. This is your fourth one. And next one, so when you bring the plus to the right hand side, minus. Therefore, minus 7 by 11 minus 4 by 11. Denominators are equal, so directly you can add. Therefore, 7 minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. Therefore, minus 11 by 11 is equal to minus 1. As x minus 1 is minus x is equal to minus 1. Minus and minus cancel means plus 1. So, this is your fifth one. So, your answer is C. Next question, find the value. Next 3. Next exercise 3.6, fourth sum, find x and p. Here change instead of p, y, because in your question they didn't give the variable p. Now 2x by 3 minus 4 is equal to 10 by 3. So keep the 2x by 3 in your left hand side and take minus 4 to your right hand side. If it is minus means when you take to another side plus. Then denominator are different and plus sign in between. So take the common denominator. Common denominator is 3. If one number in the denominator is a prime number, just cross multiple. 10 into 1, 4 into 3. So 10 plus 4 3s are 12. Therefore, 2x by 3 is equal to 10 plus 12 is 22 by 3. Then x is equal to, the question is in the multiplication, that is 2 by 3 into x is equal to 22 by 3. So when you bring 2 by 3 your right hand side, if it is in the multiplication, the fraction you have to take it as a reciprocal when you take to your right hand side. Therefore, in 2 table 11 time, then 3 table 1 time. Therefore, x is equal to 11. If your question is in the multiplication, when you take to from left hand side to your right hand side, you have to take the reciprocal. Then next question, y plus 1 by 6 minus 3y is equal to 2 by 3. So, keep y term as it is, that is y minus 3y is equal to, and bring this plus 1 by 6 to your right hand side. If it is plus means minus. So, minus 1 by 6. Here, if no term is there, you have to consider 1. So, 3 plus and minus is minus. 3 minus 1 is 2 and greater number sign is minus. Minus 2y is equal to the common denominator for 3 and 6 is 6. And in 3 table, 6 is divisible by 2 times. That you have to multiple with the numerator. So 2 into 2 is 4. And 6 table 1 time, which is equal to 3 by 6. In 3 table, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So minus 2y is equal to 1 by 2. Keep the y as it is. When you bring this, so it is in the multiplication. Minus 2 by 1. If you take to your right hand side as 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Which is equal to 1 into 1. 1 by 1 into 1 is 1, plus into minus is minus. This minus you should keep it as common because the denominator should not carry the minus sign. That's why we are taking the minus to the numerator. Then 2 into 2 is 4. So y is equal to minus 1 by 4. And don't get confused in the plus and the multiplication. Here they given the plus 1 by 6. So when you take this plus to your right hand side, plus means to your right hand side change into minus. And then here in the multiplication, so minus 2 by 1. So if it is in the multiplication, when you take to your right hand side, you have to take the reciprocal of minus 2 by 1. That is 1 by 2. Minus you should be take common because denominator should not carry the minus sign. Then third question, do as homework. We'll move to the your fifth question. Find x minus 3 4x plus 9 equal to 21. As minus is outside the minus 3 is outside the bracket, so you have to multiple to both the terms which is inside the bracket because it is common to both the terms. Therefore 3 4s are 12, plus into minus is minus x, and then 3 9s are 27, plus into minus is minus, which is equal to 27. And then if you take this minus 27 to your right hand side is plus 27. If you add 7 plus 1 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4. Therefore x is equal to, when you bring this minus 12 into x, so it is in the multiplication. When you bring it to your right hand side, multiplication means division, and this minus sign you take it as common to the, take it as common because the denominator should not carry the minus sign. Therefore 12 4s are x is equal to minus 4. Again, if you see here, minus 4 is outside the bracket, so it is common to both the terms which is inside the bracket. So multiple the term, that is 7x minus 5. 4 into 2 is 8, plus into minus is minus, and then 4 5s are 20 into x, minus into plus is minus, which is equal to, again if you see here, 10 is common to both the term. Therefore 10 2s are 20. Then 10 into x is 10x, plus into minus is minus. So bring the like terms together. That is 7x minus 20x. Again if you see your right hand side, minus 10x. When you bring to your left hand side is plus 10x, which is equal to 20. When you take this minus 5 to your right hand side is plus 5, and minus 8 to your right hand side is plus 8. Therefore first add the positive number. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17x minus 20x, which is equal to 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 8 is 33. Then plus and minus is minus. Therefore 20 minus 17 is 3x, and greater number sign is minus. Therefore when you bring this minus 3 to your right hand side, plus. So when you bring this minus 3 by 1 to your right hand side is 1 by minus 3. As minus 3 denominator should not carry the minus sign. So you are taking minus common. Then in 3 table 11 times. Therefore x is equal to minus 11. Therefore x is equal to minus. And find x and m. 3x minus 2 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 1. So if you see here, in between minus sign is there and denominator are different. So take the common denominator. Common denominator for 4 and 5 is 20. In 4 table 20 is divisible by 5 times. So that you have to multiple with the numerator. That is 5 into 3x minus 2 minus in 5 table 4 times 4 into x minus 3. Then as 5 is common to both the terms inside the bracket, so multiple 5 into 3 is 15, 15x, then 5 2s are 10, plus into minus is minus 10. Then here they given the minus 4. Therefore minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Minus 4 into minus 3 is minus into minus is plus. 4 3s are 12 minus 1 by 20. Bring the like terms together, that is 15x minus 4x minus 10 plus 12 is equal to, if you take this 20 to your right hand side, division means into. 15 minus 4 is 11, greater number sign is plus, therefore plus 11, and here minus and plus is minus. 12 minus 10 is 2 and greater number sign is 2. Minus 1 into 20 is minus 20. Then if you take this plus 2 to your right hand side is minus 2, which is equal to minus 22. Therefore x is equal to minus 22. If it is in into, take it to your right hand side, division. So 11 2s are, x is equal to minus 2 is your value. Next sum is m plus 9 by 3m plus 15 is equal to 5 by 3. So cross multiple. 3 into m plus 9 is equal to 5 into 3m plus 15. So as m is as 3 is common to both the terms which is inside the bracket, so multiple. 3 into m is 3m. 3 into 9 is 27. 5 3s are 15m plus 15 into 5. 75. And then bring the m term to your right hand side and the constant to your left hand side. That is 27. If you bring plus to your left hand side is minus 75. Then plus 3m is, when you take to your right hand side, minus 3m. Therefore, so here plus and minus is minus. Therefore 75 minus 27 is 48 and greater number sign is minus. 15m minus 3m is equal to 12m, and if you bring this 12 to your left hand side, minus 48 by 12, m is equal to minus 48 by 12 in 12 table 4 times, therefore m is equal to minus 4.